Welcome back to Selenium Automation Testing. In this session, we are going to discuss very important exception that Selenium throws, known as element not interactable exception. Very simple. To understand this, we are going to create one HTML page that our Selenium script will open, and we are going to perform some activities on that particular page to see how this exception is thrown. So let's see the demo. This is a test that I have created where we are opening a Chrome browser and opening this particular HTML page. What this HTML page is all about, there are some text that appears on the page and there is one input field. So some of the attributes of in this input field is a ID is 1. The type of this particular input field is button. Okay, so actually it is a button, and the caption of this particular button is element non-interactable exception, and the name of this particular button is hidden, and the last attribute, which is very important, is hidden. That means when this HTML page we are going to open in browser, this button will not appear. For example, if I remove this attribute and open this particular HTML in browser, you can see this button is visible, right? Now, if I try to hide it by using this particular attribute and open this page again, you can see the button disappeared. So in this particular demo, what we are going to do, we are going to open this particular page. So our script will open this page. As soon as the page is opened, we are going to find this particular button by name. So as we know that this button is the part of DOM structure, so finding this element is not having any issue. This line will execute successfully. Okay. When we come to this particular line and interact with that element, that is, we are trying to perform and click operation on that particular button, that time it is going to create an issue. Why? Because to perform a click on a particular web element, the condition is the visibility of the element is must. So if the element is not visible, we cannot perform a click operation on that particular web element. So let's run this particular test to see where exactly the element not interactable exception is thrown. Okay, so the button was not visible, and let's see, the test is failed. Okay, so what was the cause of failing this test? So come down to the console and see the issue. So this is the exception. I can see element not interactable exception is thrown. Okay, so which is the line where the exception is thrown? So this is the line number 21 where the exception is thrown. So as I said, if we try to perform a click on a particular button which is not visible, so in short, element not interactable exception is thrown when a element is available on the HTML page but it is not visible. That is, it is hidden. That's why it will not allow to interact with that element, and that's why the Selenium throws this exception. So that's all about element not interactable exception. Thank you very much.